Hello from Seychelles. We are at Story in Seychelles off the coast of Africa on the eastern portion. And this resort's fantastic. As you can see from the video, we're gonna do a little bit, but we're having Trader Vic's tonight. Tons of different restaurants at this hotel. So this is tonight's option for us. Actually, I'll go ahead and show you guys kind of there's a lot of loud music inside. It's Cuban themed. But we'll get
It's from the guy who invented the Mai Tai.
Yeah. Mr. Mai Tai himself. I'll give you an idea what they have here. If you want to check out the resort, it's beautiful. I'll leave a link below. Let's get inside. All right, just wanted to show you guys the drink menu. It's epic. All right, check out Tiki Man. All right, so I went with the SF Mai Tai. It's basically the original Mai Tai, which has orgeat, rum based, but they float the 151 on top. And Nicole went with a rare, well, the wine's not rare, just her having it's rare, rosé for dinner, something light. Red wine's a little heavy for this 82-degree weather. And this stuff we can't have because we're gluten-free. Dinner up next. Salad time. Just went with the Vic's salad. Just a mixture of veggies, some yucca, and a different dressing on here. It looks good. Well, we went with steak. So we got some asparagus, some beautiful medium steak here with the potatoes, and I did a glass of red wine. And look at the view. It's amazing. If it'll focus. Not much to see because it's dark, but you get the point. All right, guys, just a little video of the bar area and the little restaurant. Super cute. Anyways. Dinner was fantastic. That steak was out of this world. They used some type of Chinese cooking device and it gives it a nice little smokiness to the meat, and it was unbelievable. Way better than I actually thought, because some resorts you never know what you're gonna get when you go to some of these restaurants, but it was great. All right, see you next time. We got lots from the Seychelles coming up. Cheers, Nicole.